Hey y'all, it's me. I've cleaned the hell out of this car, and the worst thing about cleaning a car to its ultimate cleanliness is you find absolutely everything, every ding, every scratch, every scuff that is wrong with it. And this whole panel, this one's kind of loose, and this thing really looks ugly. So I'm wearing my official weekend project shirt. It should only take a few minutes, but I'm going to replace this trim and this one too with a brand new piece. Should hopefully fit. It's about right. And instead of sending me this piece, they actually sent me something else. I don't know what these are. They go on the hood of something. But definitely not what I ordered. So they're sending me the new piece for that tomorrow. But I'm going to change this out and show you how to do it. Threaded screw. Well, won't it focus? There we go. On the end, which should be on this end. So I should just be able to take that off. Feels pretty good. But I can't find the fucking screwdriver that goes on this, so I'm gonna go inside and look for it. Shit. Doesn't ratchet too well, does it? Oh, great. Yes. That is awesome, the way that just did that. It's the world's crappiest ratchet. Come on, buddy. I'll look at you. Come to Papa. It's teasing me. Oh, you tease. Come on, you're right there. Oh. Oh. Fuck, it's hot. It's fucking hot. Hey. Oh, don't get stuck in there. Gotcha. Step 1, or is that 2? I forget. Next step should just be, hopefully, very easily, sliding it forward. When I'm on the job, and I need to clean something quick, I use Meguiar's Quick Detailing Mist and Wipe. Just spray, wipe, and dry. Some people actually pull these out and fill in the holes and go without the fender trim or the door trim. But I like it. It looks pretty good without it. I just leave those red holes there. I'm done. Okay. And I swear to God if this doesn't fit, I'm gonna shove it up someone's ass. I'm just gonna find a guy and shove it up his ass. Why won't you go in the hole? I just suck at putting things in holes. Ah, there. And these all kind of slide a little bit. Put them in one by one. Tight close. There we go. I'm liking that very much. Oh. Oh. Yeah. That is 6,000 times better. This is the part where something usually goes wrong. And I start cussing and breaking shit. Get this little guy on there. Turn it. I can't believe nothing has gone wrong. This is unbelievable. Ratcheting effect. It's the sound of glory. And then I just tuck in the trim like a glove. And hope to God this thing. Hallelujah. Old trim. Ugh. Ooh. New trim. Wow. That's not. Ugh. So, gotta replace that one. This one should be easy. I think there's a screw. Night vision. Let's see if I can see it.